Do you know that 1 gram of hyaluronic acid can absorb 6 liters of water? Yes, you heard it right. So let's talk about super ingredient, hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a biologic humectant, thus retaining water in the skin. It has many skin benefits, like it improves overall skin appearance, it makes our skin look plump, it smooths out fine lines and wrinkles. It has many positive attributes, like it's usually well tolerated, it usually does not irritate skin or does not cause irritation on sensitive skin, and it's safe in pregnancy or while breastfeeding. Now, how to use hyaluronic acid serum? Firstly, you always have to apply hyaluronic acid serum on damp skin and never on dry skin. Then apply it evenly all over your face, and then again you have to apply a good moisturizer to lock that moisturizing effect. You can go for ordinary 2% hyaluronic acid serum with vitamin B5, or one can also go for Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel, it's also good. And one can also go for edible hyaluronic acid, which is available in the form of capsules, and we can also go for injectable hyaluronic acid.